Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here with today's lesson on hazard communication and GHS. Before we continue, remember to sign off on your mobile app or online to receive credit for this training. If you need to pause this video to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. If you have ever worked around hazardous substances in countries other than your own, you may have noticed differences in hazard communication. To combat this, OSHA revised the Standard Communication Standard to align with the United Nations Globally Harmonized System of Classification and Labeling of Chemicals, or GHS. The revision improves the quality and consistency of hazard communication in the workplace, so chemical information is consistent internationally. Hazard communication is vital for worker understanding of the hazards associated with the chemicals in their workplace. This lesson will cover the basics of what a hazard communication program entails, including safety data sheets, labels, inventory lists, and safe work practices. If employees may be exposed to hazardous chemicals, a written hazard communication program must be implemented. The hazard communication program entails how hazard communication will be addressed at your worksite, as well as procedures for labeling, maintaining safety data sheets, and providing employee information. As previously mentioned, there's a hazard communication standard that requires chemical manufacturers, distributors, or importers to provide safety data sheets, formerly known as material safety data sheets, to communicate the hazards of hazardous chemical products. The HCS requires new SDSs to be in a uniform format. For more information on specifics of safety data sheet requirements, please refer to the safety lesson, Hazard Communication, Safety Data Sheets. When you are required to use dangerous substances as part of your job, the requirements for labeling of hazardous chemicals under the Hazard Communication Standard.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.